100 burpees. About to do 100 burpees in the snowstorm. 100 of those. Energy, energy, energy. Stay tuned for that, y'all. And all this snow. We snow white. I had to make sure I seized the opportunity. I seized the moment of the snow outside in the cold. Right down here on the goddamn floor. 100 of those. Energy, energy, energy. We're about to do that right now, outside in the blizzard. You would have said it's too cold. You would have said it's snowing outside. You would have said it's blizzardy outside. Not me though. I'm going to give you 100 of those for 60 days. We on day 27. Every single day for 60 days, y'all. Stay tuned. Video is dropping.